know if I'm an intro kind of person, but we'll see. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Come here. This way. Come here. Bella, apples. Bella, apples. Tell, I'm doing morning farm chores. I decided to do a day in the life kind of vlog or whatever because I've got some work to do today, so why not vlog it? And the sun is shining, and that's not going to last very long, so there's that. Hey Donna, how do you feel about me leaving you in my dust? I did. Hey, there's branches. But you don't video and drive at the same time. It's much later and I got Tyler here tilling my arena for me, so I have to repair the fence again because the horses tore it to pieces. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's yesterday's tomorrow, and I'm going for another ride. This time I'm taking Blaze. This horse is very dirty. We have some cleaning up to do. Don't know why that hose is here, but please, don't leave me. Up. So, Stella broke my saddle sack. That's a whole other story. And I don't have pockets on my pants, so I'm not gonna be able to bring my phone with me. So that means you guys aren't gonna be able to go with us on a ride, but who cares? You saw us ride yesterday. That's boring anyways. So, but there's Blaze with her saddle on. Let's go ride. I mean, I go ride. You stay here. So we're done with our ride. Blaze did good. She's a little rusty because I haven't taken her out in a little bit because snow, rain, wind, etc., etc. But yeah, it was fun. And it's a really nice day out, so I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this. And I think I'll wrap up the vlog here, so have a great day. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!